Okay, this is the counter demo. I soldered the buttons on the back, but it's still functional. This is on. Okay, so it starts at 0. If you press the left button, it goes up. And if you press the left button, it goes up. Right, and then if you press both of them at the same time, 0, up, up, 0. Yeah. Okay, cool. Hello. This is the multimeter. This is totally one 9-volt battery. And that is a 9-volt reading right there on the top. And if you, okay, so the wires are connected to red, which is reading voltage, and black, which is ground. And yeah. Hello again. This is, okay, now there's ground, and then the green is the current probe. So I have a 9-volt battery connected to a 49K resistor. And if I put this here and this here, then it shows 2.54 milliamps. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, that's it.